Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're comparing two robot vacuum and mop combos: the iRobot Roomba combo i5 plus self-emptying robot vacuum and mop, and the MamVav robot vacuum and mop combo. Let's see how these two stack up. First up, let's talk about performance. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus boasts a 4-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust to different floor types and avoid getting tangled with pet hair. Reviewers mention that it excels in picking up pet messes and maintaining a tidy home. On the other hand, the MamVav Combo packs a 1400 pay mopping robot vacuum cleaner combo. Reviewers say it works well on dog hair and surface-level messes, making it a reliable option for pet owners. When it comes to smart features, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus learns your home, creates a smart map, and understands more voice commands than your average teenager. It pairs with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, making it a highly intelligent cleaning butler. However, some users found it challenging to set up and navigate obstacles. The MamVav Combo, on the other hand, offers a Tuya Smart app, Google Assistant compatibility, and even comes with a remote control. Users appreciate its ease of setup and effectiveness in navigating obstacles. Next, let's look at cleaning modes. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus can switch from vacuuming to mopping with the simple switch of a bin. It also features Dirt Detect technology to focus on dirtier areas. However, some users found its mapping feature ineffective. The MamVav Combo offers 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag. Reviewers highlight its ability to clean in tight spaces and on medium-length carpets, making it versatile for various cleaning needs. Finally, what's in the box? The Roomba Combo i5 Plus comes with the vacuum, mop pads, and a self-emptying base, providing a convenient and low-maintenance cleaning solution. However, some users mentioned it could be noisy and inefficient on carpets. The MamVav Combo includes a remote control, charging dock, power adapter, water tank, dustbin, side brushes, and a 12-month warranty. Reviewers find it to be a good value for money, especially for those on a budget. Overall, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus is praised for its efficiency and intelligent features, although some users found it challenging to set up and navigate. The MamVav Combo is appreciated for its reliability, ease of use, and value for money, making it a great option for budget-conscious buyers. So, there you have it. If you're looking for a high-tech, efficient cleaning solution, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus might be your best bet. But if you're budget-conscious and need a reliable, versatile cleaning buddy, the MamVav Combo is a great choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.